Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the file in Photoshop and unlocking the background layer so edits are non-destructive. Next, you select Subject or the Quick Selection tool to capture the subject. This gives you an initial mask fast. Once you have a rough selection, convert it to a layer mask right away to preserve original pixels. This allows you to refine without losing data. Do this now, because a good mask early makes all later steps simpler and more accurate. Once the layer mask exists, click Select and Mask to access edge tools and global sliders. Use the Refine Edge brush specifically along hairlines and detailed edges. It blends foreground and background intelligently. Make measured adjustments to smooth, feather, and contrast to remove jagged edges, and shift edge slightly inward or outward to fix halos. When done, choose Output to Layer Mask, so your refined result replaces the rough mask. Finish by placing your replacement background under the mask subject and matching lighting with levels, curves, or color balance so it looks natural. If edges still look hard, add a tiny amount of Gaussian blur to the mask or use layer matting to fringe to remove color fringing. Export as PNG for transparency or save a layered PSD. If you see color haloing, apply Decontaminate Colors in Select and Mask or Paint Corrections on the mask edge. That one tip fixes most remaining artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.